So hello guys, how una dey now? How far? How the audio and the video? Now they hear me well well. Hello guys, how una dey now? Now they hear me. How the audio be? How the visuals be? Hope everywhere good. Everywhere good. Me na tell me more start. Okay, very good. So me na dey share, me na see the power tap continuously because I want to run talk some kind things so that we go fit understand small. So if una notice for the screen, yes, exactly, Patrick, for the screen, una no fit see my face. Now the last lecture we will do on Monday. If you notice, una never get notification. See, I don't upload them for YouTube. I don't know what dey happen with TikTok. The video never dey available for the TikTok studio. You see, they show processing since that day, and normally they only take like 3-4 hours. So maybe they get technical issues or anything. So now that means I go need to redo that video on my own private time. Make I upload them for YouTube so that the sequence go continue. So to prevent that from happening again, I can't dey use what they call it. I dey use, if you see my screen now, I can't dey use OBS take the record for background. So for the OBS already, the OBS already they use my camera, so the TikTok studio no fit use them again. So in case anything, I go just upload the OBS what they call it, the OBS recording for YouTube. Also, you understand. You understand what I just explained, Abi? And another thing, my account dey on shadow ban because some people don't go like more than 3 videos. They don't like one. In fact, I discovered 4 people will like or each person like 12 videos. I shock. So they don't shadow ban my account. That's why anything I post now, you know, really they go far. And I hear say the shadow ban they last for like 2 weeks. So maybe they among waiting, they don't let me fit download that video to upload for YouTube. But I don't learn now, so I go dey use OBS for the background, pending when that issue is sorted out. So that being said, make we continue. So make I go open my work, Visual Studio Code. No mind them, jare, they won't savage me. So make I open our Microsoft.com. So anytime we be say I need to explain, something, we be say when I need to see my face, I'll quickly click the OBS so that I'm not going to see me when I describe for there. You understand? So that maybe if I explain something, go up, go down. I also understand what they talk. JB evening. The praise be coming down. Yo, be coming down. I never even start. Okay, so now I'm going to click my go live so that the thing go open for this thing. Now, if una notice from una screen, una go see say I don't do. Okay, I open the Microsoft one first. Microsoft.com. I don't add that gradient for the middle. I see. Yes, then I go explain them to una. Make I come out and first. You say it don't come. Anyways, so in not day more look Microsoft own. Oga load now. And I see say these people they worry Abi. And I see say the this thing don't change. People now they say you know be that blue this thing again. So yeah, now this one we dey here today now we go use. When I get must see the whether na image, must check the image, see whether na wetin I dey think say it be. Make I open the image. Okay, so una see say na image, so that's nice. But ma use that one teach una quickly. It was say na that yesterday one still dey there. So make I paste. Una remember say I teach una linear gradient. I tell una say two types dey. They get other types, sha. They get linear gradient, they can't get radial gradient. What I talk say that one na gradient around the middle. So I no need to explain too much. It resemble linear gradient. Una dey see am. You go use radial dash gradient. Then that one they take in percentage. The first one na the one wey dey middle. The last one na the one wey dey around am. So you fit tell am how many percent. You see am. So we go put the color for the middle. For example, if na 50% or 20%, na it go dey here. If na and then the other one go take so amount of percent. Make man open the screen make you for see. You see am, but man use colors wey dey more pronouncing. Man change this one color to like dark blue. Exactly. So una see am abi? Shebi una see am now. Una see the light, that one will be like white, that one na the 10%, and then this other one will be blue na 60%. When I understand, I just have to use radial gradient with that. You fit browse on them later to still expand on the knowledge. When I understand, na dey hear me? My people wey dey help me interact with una no dey, so if I dey ask una question, make na quick dey answer me, because you no get person wey dey help me monitor the comment section, so make na dey quick answer me for the small time I take look am. Okay, so that's that one. But now na image dey here. So now wetin we go come do now? So make I comot that gradient. Now I just right click on this thing and then click save as image. So the image don already save. It don already dey my downloads already. So make I bring and come out. It don already dey my downloads. So see the image here. Wait, make I take this one back. So what I go do now is I'll drag that image, enter image folder. Now remember this img folder for here where we keep logo that time. I go drag the image, enter there. Then I go rename am. I'll call am let me call am Windows 11 underscore BG. Una see am? Like Windows 11 background. So now the image be this. Now what we need to do now na to use that image as background for that div where we put this thing for. The present CSS suite abi no be lie. Harry, I see you. Ma quick tell you that something. This guy wey dey call Trace World, he messaged me I think yesterday or so. If na notice, na my right hand guy, he no dey online since. So like say he get some issues wey dey with Ansha. So if na dey pray, me na dey just add am for una prayer. I never see Osato 2 for years. Osato never show. Okay, so we'll continue. So we don't get that one. So now I go come use that thing do background. That's just a background image. Now see, I go put that URL. Now remember how to put background now with CSS. I don't teach you that before. I put my parentheses or quotation. So then I go write. You know, say we they always come out because style that style.css they inside CSS folder. So we'll put double dots. Now remember for command prompt to take come outside. So when we put double dots, then I go come enter that image img then slash that Windows 11 BG. When I don't see am, make I come here and I see alpha. When I see am, abi. When I see am. Daniel Rhymes, stop spreading that kind of fear. Which one be JavaScript go humble una? If he humble you, you know me say go humble everybody. No come here, come spoil people mind. Me no come, no, don't do that. If he humble you, fine. Very fine, very fine. No cross, no crown, no worry. Now we just start. We just discover say Microsoft don't change their own to image. You know, say before na background color. So we don't download the image. We don't use the image for the div. So make I continue. Make they look this. Now see our image get as it dey. This one they are like say their own dey middle. That our own be like say e wide more. make I see whether I fit get the exact height and wetin they call am, the exact height and width wey they use. Oh, so you come here to come learn and you dey threaten people, no threaten them. No, they fit reach there now, you no fit talk, God fit just put am for their mind, they go just sabi am. Okay, so make I see whether I fit see the height and whatever. Okay, width na 100%. Okay, more leave am first. E get wetin dem dey call background position. We dey mostly use am with when we use image. Our Sato don finally come, hallelujah. We dey use am with, okay, we dey use am with anything wey we use background image for. If you look am, they will put massy and background position. You see am, e go tell us, like you dey tell am where the which angle you want make the background be. For example, now I say center. For example, make I go back to our image. You notice that the thing don shift small. Make I comot am so that I will see the difference. Make I comot am. You see, say don't go like this. If I put am back, you see, say don't shift. I dey come, I want try something. I say left, for example. Okay, left go here. I say right. You see am, like you don dey almost dey be dey where that one dey. Make I see something. But like say our this thing too wide, man use our height for man say like 400 pixels. Make I see. Okay. Man use 450. But some of these things go still change later. Oh, sorry, you no carry your laptop today. Ovio Gaga, welcome, Jare. Now Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, 11 p.m. Guy will be say my try center. Yes, I don't already fair use center now. We don't use center before now. See, normally, so it already they give us what the thing they look like. Actually, the center actually work. You know, they see now. So at least it just be our own big small. Make I write center twice. So you know really me myself center and top. So bottom. Okay. Man just leave. Man say left, for example. Say right. Okay, so let's just leave it like that. Center. There's another one called background size. I still remember how to use that one like this. So I say make it contain. I say contain first. Shebi una see and I say it don't they take their shape. I comot this background position. Exactly. When I say it don't be like wetin dey here small. Una dey see am abi? Make I use, instead of that contain, I use cover. Make I see. Exactly. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Yes, exactly. Okay, thank you. No cross, no crown. Thank you for explaining to him. So now make I explain. No sabi just dey try. Now, una know say if una dey watch some tutorial for YouTube, Harry, you never lost. We just dey start. If you look na new this thing, the only thing I carry you go back. The only thing be say as we open this Microsoft one, we see say they don't use image for their background for here. So as normal now, we just use background image. Just change that instead of color we use for the last tutorial. So now I know say for some YouTube tutorial, wetin dey happen be say some of them they go don already practice am, so they'll just cram the code. Or even if they no cram am, they will call, they don't already know what they want to do, they'll just start type and call the tell una see. But me, I intentionally know they practice this site. Because I don't want something where be say me, I don't already know wetin go work. Then we go just do and straight. They will come like say mistake. No, they know. I want something where be say una go see the real experience when you develop something. How you go take try different things. And they get to tell you, una say nobody's they sabi and finish 100%. You get some things now. Don't say we go even go browse. So now that experience I won't carry on go through. So you say now the menu side, Harry. If not the menu side, that means if let's say you know attend last class, you don't finish that last class, abi. Okay, so now ma explain this background size. Background size be like the size of the background inside the div. So if for example now we say contain, see Visual Studio Code explain am for you. Say contain mean say scale the image while preserving its intrinsic aspect oyibo aspect ratio to the largest size such that both its width and its height can fit inside the background positioning area. Now if we use cover, now for example, say scale the image while preserving the same thing to the smallest size such that the both you see that one at the largest side, this one now go come be the smallest. Aside those ones, they still get, they can't get auto. May we see how auto go take behave. You see how auto be just like the way we take use them without background position before, meaning automatic any way they fit just use them. So our best bet now that cover abi, I think that cover we use will make sense abi. Exactly. You see say difference not today. In fact, the person go increase that thing back to 500. Go blessing in gel before. Okay, 500 don't too big. Me no verse. So 450. Exactly. Shebi una say na just small difference. Make I continue now. Understand the chair be George Alimo, welcome. Thank you for the likes. Me na see the power tap abeg. Me na dey share, make more people come. Anybody will be gifter, me na see the gift, you know easy. We dey buy data. Anyways, so una understand the chair be Olatoyosi say ma use 480. Correct guy. Ma see 480. 480 too wide. Maybe mo try 460. You go still change but mo just see. Now this small difference dey here now. 460, which are even big pass now. Okay, mo see 470 mo see. So you be like say na 465. Exactly. Now see say na almost the same thing now be. Shebi. Blessing are almost the same thing. Exactly. Okay, so I use 440 no work. Thank you, guy. Obi, thank you for the gift. Thank you. So may we continue. So the next thing we dey now na to write this thing we dey here. Shebi una see am. So that's why we use calm down, be calming down. Be calming down. Website too dey sensitive. Okay. So you now see the space for here now. So now we feel. That's why we use that thing as background for the div. So it already did there. We don't do that one. Now to just write this thing. So more analyze this. Now see say this one, this designed for life today and tomorrow. Feel be like maybe heading 2 or 1. Where anyone will, you don't even really matter because we still use CSS take increase the size. Then the next generation of games and blah 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 go be like maybe paragraph. Then see this button for here. So more package them like that. So you know say most of the work they inside the what they call them. The HTML. So now remember the div now for the landing page. So make I open now. I want create div, another div. I bet me now hold on. So I want to give this one class name of landing text. Now I go hold all these things for here. Una understand? So that we fit use and they shift them in groups like that. So now get. So crypto native, welcome. So that space now go. Might use H2 for example. Make I use write that designed for life. Yeah, you know copy. Now wow. Okay, exactly. You don't copy now. Then the other one will go be like paragraph. That's this the next generation now. This one now go be like paragraph. So I put an inside paragraph. Una dey follow me, abi? Hope say una dey follow me. Una give me 1 minute, I dey come. Oh, you say that landing text. Now you no follow since now we take the whole this thing wey dey here. So now we wan use that landing text for. So you see am now. Make I check. So now be this black thing for up now. But more quick sharp use CSS. They change them to change the color to white, color of the text. But another thing be say since now only those things dey inside, instead of writing another create maybe using another this thing, we go just use that ID we don already dey. That's where it dey sef. That's this ID landing wey dey. We fit just put color then text, so white. More use this thing FFF. Now remember color code now. More use am so that it go just affect all the picking wey dey inside. Una see am now. Shebi una understand? You say they follow us go where you don't know. You confuse. Where you confuse, explain. But hope say you no new sha for this class. Of your guy, hope say you no new. If you new, you know if you understand. If anybody dey new here, you supposed to say you dey new, so that they go tell you what to do. Mascot, you are new here. Commander Great, abeg, any type wetin you go do, any type am for the comment section, so that anybody wey dey new, make dem see am. Thank you. Adome Mijire Christopher, you too, you are new. Oluyemi, you are new, very good, just stay. Commander Great go write wetin I go do now. Commander Great, you dey there, abi? Exactly. So just dey look wetin Commander Great dey type. So do wetin say make you do. Na there all the previous classes dey. I think this is the class. This class 13. This is 13 class. We started about 3 weeks ago. So you can stay to watch this class with us, so that when you dey watch am again later when we upload am, it go dey make sense. But you will need to go, if you are new to the web development, you will need to go follow all those other ones, so that you understand from beginning. And you know hard, you'll get them in 1 week, you'll package everything. Okay, so more we continue. We don't change the color now to white. The next thing I say, now see say the thing calm down small. And maybe like say the box itself, like say if you look at, like say they are around one box. In fact, maybe we do one like this. We'll call that class landing text. If we give them border for example 1 pixel solid white, we just see the border around them. Shebi una see say is na see the line, na see say e wide. So what we want do, we want reduce them. I want give am specified width first. So make I give am like a width of, might say 20%, for example. Shebi una don see am. Shebi una see am. Yes, no, you go need to highlight am quick, then Control C, because that place na link osato. If you no quick Control C, e go the next page. Or if you just type am out, maybe by force you must copy. So the width now 20%. Most see how this one be. Exactly. That's say it don't small now. So then more will shift and come down. More will give them more give that thing margin top, for example, mo give am like 5%, mo we see. Mo say I go take B. Oh, sorry. Ma use padding since margin no work. Exactly. Una see am abi? Or we fit even put am for here, but you know me, mo just leave am like that. 5%. Ma comot that line now. So 5%, mo do padding left to shift am for left. Mo still put, mo do like 10%, mo we see. So una dey see abi, like say make we just use like 8% instead. So una see am shebi. Una notice the gap between this heading and that the next generation that this paragraph, small gap dey there. So wetin I go do na say I go say watch o, landing text, that's that div. Then I go come say the paragraph wey dey there. Una remember say I don teach una this thing, and of course na only one paragraph we get there, so na only one e go affect. So I go come tell am margin top maybe like let's say 20 pixel. Mo we see wetin go happen. Shebi una don see the gap now. Ma make am big, make na for dey see am well. Shebi una don see the gap abi? Ma reduce am back. Una don see the gap exactly. So that one too dey like that. Una understand? You go come dey be like say I dey rush. Una dey understand and dey follow me? Yes, we are creating the Microsoft website. Now Microsoft website, we are learning web development, so we are creating the website as practice. I want to see the font size of this one. 29 pixel. So I want to call landing text, then the H2 where we use. I'll come say font size will be 29 pixel. So make I see how you want it be. Exactly, don't big small now like this. Okay, so I recap the last bit. Ma recap. I talk say, you know, now remember the next thing we will learn for the last class now, the next things together. So I say I want make the paragraph get the see the space for middle before the heading. So I can call the paragraph with the inside that landing text div. I can give a margin top. So now, if I say margin top, that means space go there. Now get. So now I can call the H22 where we use for the heading. I can use the font size to be 29. So that's why I come big like this. So now they understand now. Then I want to give them that font family where we give the that other one. The font family now go be, now remember that font family where we use. What will be that thing again? I think it's that Sergio exactly. Now it be this. Now remember now. So if we go back now see say it don't they resemble. Shebi? Now see say it don't they resemble abi? So most still shift and go down small. That what is they call them? That padding top. More use like 10%, more we see. Okay. So I think it's almost the same now. Yes. So but once still enlarge the width, that's you see say two squeeze together. So must still increase and small. That's this width for here. Man make it like 25. Now they see abi. So make I come back here. And I say it don't big now. Shebi? So this font family suppose dey for the paragraph too for here, but instead of saying we dey put am one by one, we just put am inside that landing text, so that go affect everything wey dey inside that div. So una see now. So una see abi, na see say e affect everything wey dey inside the text. You get what I want check? Make I no vex. I dey come. Ma check this thing. Okay. I want to check something. I dey come. Oh, okay. So no worry. So una understand reach this point, abi? Now see how we don't package and reach, abi? Shebi una see am. Obla say that 25 self too much. That width will be 25. More use like 23 more see. Exactly. Okay, correct. Now understand. Me na the power tap, I beg. Me na the power tap. Then me na see the share. So Green, welcome. Now your first class be this. Chris, thank you for following me. If gift are there, me na the gift oh. Okay, so you now see say we don't finish this one now for here now. So now to do this button. Now, no be that button where we learn for inside form for HTML. No be in the here. If we look am, if I carry you go where the code dey, I don't know how to magnify am, but na link they use, na link dey there. Thank you, Guy Obi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you, Peter Timmy. Welcome. Okay, Patrick, the person wey create this website go dey feel special, but since we just create am now, sharp. Don't be by that one, oh my guy. Ma tell you something about all this big company. They know say people don't already know say they be professional. Now Microsoft they manage with NASA now, so they don't get anything to prove to us. So they instead do simple things. Go look up a website. Their website is simple. They don't say say they be professional. So they rather do something simple and then pass the appropriate information. And in fact, now the idea when me too they carry follow be that. Make it simple and elegant. Make it simple, make it fine, but it's simple, very simple thing. You get. Okay, so may we continue. So now we go use link. They do this thing like this. See if your PC is ready. So I will take one now. We will come back to our landing. So inside there, inside that landing text class, I can use that one in and I understand. Then I go write what they write there. See if your PC is ready. See if your PC is ready. Okay, good. So mo go there, mo go see. Una see am. Na be this dim, this blue way dim. So it already dey there. Now I want shift and go down small. Una see am. I want shift and go down small. So to shift and now, I fit give this paragraph. Look this paragraph. Why I give margin top? So I fit still give a margin bottom. Now remember, abi. Margin bottom, so that it go space, it go get space for bottom to take shift that this thing come down. We will give am 20 pixel too. We will see. Shebi na see say space don dey there. So we will leave am like that first. We go give that link background. To give the link background, na the same process we'll use. Dot landing text. Then we'll come say A. You understand now? I go say background color. I want to get this background color now. I go use my color picker to take get that exact blue way they use. I'll put on for here now. So see, I don't copy the color code. I'll put a hash this now. So may we go back there. And when I see the color, abi, though we never design about, when I see the color. When I go learn something very nice here on how they take make links be like button. Most of the button where they for website where they click, they go another page. Most of them are links, but they'll just arrange and make it look like button. So you see say we don't give them background now. More look another thing. When I see say the text where they there na white, abi, the text color na white. So we'll come say color. We'll give them white FFF. Bam. Exactly. Now see say don't they come out small. Then now see say the text bold one kind. Shebi, what did that one mean? We go use font weight. I don't know whether I don't teach you that one before. Font weight to make them bold. we can write bold. Now see, sorry, now see abi, everything now they affect. Shebi una see now. I fit even define how thick the bold reach. If I no wan use write bold like that, I fit just use like 100. More see whether I go work or if wetin I dey talk they go work. Ma use 1000 for example. Ma just use try am. Exactly. Na see say the number. So I fit use in case that bold too thick. I fit use like ma try 500 make I see. Okay, ma see their own. Exactly. But I say don't be like their own now. So may we continue. Cisco curve. Wetin happen? Why you say omo? Chinaza, thank you for following me. Patrick, yes, so color picker na in the airport for this life. Oh, you get where we go reach for JavaScript. I go teach you how to create your own color picker. How many of now go like am? I go so you create your own color picker wey go dey use by yourself. Una understand abi? But hope say una understand reach this point why dey. I no want make anybody lost. No cross, no crown. How far? Commander Great, how far? Yes, correct guy. Text decoration to remove underline. You sabi, still remember. So we want comot the underline now wey dey there. And I remember see this underline. So we can use text decoration to be none. Now remember now we take the do am. Exactly. Now we don't comot the underline. Osato, you say you go do to the say. To the say color picker. Business tycoon. Harry, you say small. Oh, wetin dey happen? Well, Harry, you new for this class, abi? Harry, answer me. You new for this class, abi? So why you can't say you dey understand small? If anywhere confuse you, tell me. I prefer to trash am online so that even when you dey watch the video you go understand. Henry graphics, my first time here. Oh, okay, now your first time be this Henry graphics. We are welcome, no problem. What you need to do now, say you need to go my YouTube channel. The YouTube Commander Great, I better write the YouTube channel name for am. I must Spikings, but he go spell am for you now. So you go there, you see all the other live TikTok video we don't post am for here. This is like the 13th class. You go see from class 1 to the one wey dey there. So if you can learn. Reach where we dey so. But if you dey this class, just dey observe. Precious Irabo, you hear wetin I just talk abi? Say you wan learn HTML, CSS. Na we dey learn so. Na CSS we dey like this. So since you new, you need to go my YouTube page. Commander Gray don write the name Amos Spikings. You search am. You see all the previous video we don do. We started from beginning, web development. Okay, you say you be front-end developer. Everywhere good now. You no get problem. So say time you fit follow up now. If you be front-end developer. We just started, so we don already dey CSS. So we dey build Microsoft website to take the understand more. Yeah, the last class on YouTube is class 11. The last class we will get, I never see upload am. TikTok never make am available. So okay, so it's supposed to be 12 now. Okay, but you know, if I say you know come early, I explain why. But anyways, more continue class. More no use that one. They waste time. Peter Timmy, thank you very much. Me na dey power tap o, me na see the share. If gift are dey, me na dey gift na boy o. Okay, more continue. So we don't get the color now. We don't comot the underline. Now look am. You see say spaces dey like around, up, bottom, left and right. And I remember saying na padding we fit use do that thing. And I remember now the space between the box itself and the child inside. The box gonna go na this one around am. So I will take do now. More practice first. More put padding top. More say like 20 pixel. More just take observe I want to be. Shebi una see na see am abi. That 20 pixel be like waiting too much. May we use 10. That 10 self too much self. May we use 5. Exactly. So instead of say we dey suffer, more use that shortcut wey we know. Since e be like say na the 4 of them will feel, more first use 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel for everything. So una see am abi? We are getting close, but e be like say maybe na more use like 7. Like say na 7 na im win am. Like na 7 pixel win am pass. So like say 7 don't do for the top and the bottom. More add more to the left and the right. For this 4, this thing, which one be left, which one be right? Me na tell like say na this one be, man make this one 10. I don't know which one it be, sha. Okay, now it be right. Man make am like 15. Exactly. The man make this last one, blessing and be left. Man make am 15 too. Exactly. Shebi don dey resemble. The blessing will still add to that top and bottom small. More make am like, more just make them 10 10. Blessing 10 10 don't come too much. Oh. Anyways, man make this ones 18 and 18. Okay, I think it makes sense now like this. Abi? Yes, we don't package am, So if I say it don't make sense like this, but most see, if I say their own font size, must see their font size. The font size na 16 pixel. So must do font size 16 pixel. Okay, I think everywhere good. Now see how be everywhere good, but now they notice something. See their own this their heading. See am, man even see like look our own bold where we pass their own. So more find out wetin happen. Man see wetin they use. Their font weight na 600. Na 600 they use. Just like here we use that font weight for their own for that H2 for that heading. So they use 600. So more just put am, more change that to 600. Now and I remember what is font weight they do now to make them bold. So exactly. So when I say I'm like this, I be might close this so that I go resemble well. So put na the say now so. Okay, so make I increase that width maybe 27. I want make it long well because see their own long. Our own not too long. Maybe I say this thing self big, their own big pass our own. That heading might make am like 35 for example. But I say don't they make sense. So they might widen the width. Might use maybe like this 30 now. Okay, it don't make sense. Then our own need to come up, their own to not to come up, our own to come down. So you know, remember where we take down now. That's this padding top. Instead more use 5%, more C. Exactly. 5% too much. More use like more use 7. Yes, exactly, padding top. Okay, we fit manage them like this now. Their own button go down well. So more go touch that margin bottom for the paragraph. More make am like 30 pixel. So you never still come down reach. So make I just still add join now. I say like 35. So I think everywhere good like this. And the graphics, thanks for the like. Scavenger. Hey, your name the fear person. Una understand how reach here, abi? This website don't they make sense for abi na my eye? Shebi una see am abi? So we don't put background now, we don't put these other ones, we don't arrange these things. Now don't see am. Now don't learn new things. Now I don't learn how to do this to turn link to button. More do I make our own to they go their own. More see the link where they there. More copy the link to me, our own to they go there. More go back to that HTML. You see inside here now that href. We'll put our own there too. Simple. Life is sweet. Might go back for there. So might go our own too. So now go see say if I press her now, it's supposed to go that place. Correct. It don't go. So it makes sense. Yes, so Patrick, because they pick the same color and everything, so it makes sense now. It makes sense everywhere good. Now as I say, we don't almost finish this website. By the time we do this ones now, we're on that year. The remaining are just copy and paste because even this one too now the same thing. The remaining work we just did na this footer with the here. So by our next class, we go suppose package this one, then package this one. So the more just say for this website, we go just need to get like maybe 3 more classes. And I get to just package this website finish. Then we move on with the other new things we want learn. James Michael, welcome. So me na the power tap. Now here I won't stop for this class. I don't want to chalk am. Now here I won't stop. Hey, one more thing. If you mouse over, wait now. If you mouse over their button, look as they behave. I'm saying that they see am. So as they behave. The blue they did deeper. So now I know what to be mouse over now. We don't first do it before. So we can't do that landing text A, then over. Now remember now. Then we can say most say background color. Now just background color they might copy this one. Put on. Then I'll just use my editor to pick a much deeper one from here. So that I go just deep. That's all. Nothing more, nothing special. But just so. So this one deeper this one. So if I go there now, if I go down our own now, when you mouse over, very simple. Deep blue, yes, deep blue. Over effect. Now. Everywhere good. You know hard. Okay. But we stop here for today. Any question? Any question? Gumbi Idele, welcome. No questions, Commander. Great. And you be that now. Osato Patrick. Henry Graphics, you now a front-end developer before, so I know supposed to ask you. Guy will be understood. All of Nasabi good, Nasabi Buko. When me they learn her, I don't understand anything. No. You say I have to put the over. I use okay, I know okay, but you say you know new. See now, we use that hover. We don't fetch 2 times before. See when we put that this thing A, then that column, then hover. Then we can't put the color we want things. I say when you hover, put this color. Oh, your network, no vex. You maybe you're watching for that YouTube class with that. Precious Irabo. Say more TikTok. Teddy just dey come. See my moderator just dey come. Oh, wetin happen? Bisola Brian, welcome. Maybe we show Teddy wetin we don do now, so that he go see oh boy. Oh, no light, sorry. See what we dey do now. See the Microsoft site. See the original one here. Oh. See the one we don't do. You see, say difference not there. They say I'm abi. Now our own be this. Everywhere good. Hey, Commander Great API. I don't want to explain that for this class. I don't want talk with it go confuse people where just they come up. You say we don't turn bad as programmers for HTML and CSS. What we just do? Okay, say I show all the codes. Okay, see, now the CSS code be this. Like play. Code don the menu, but na HTML no menu. But CSS wey dey do the design don menu well well. Tell the say una suppose fit apply for Twitter now. You know say they don pursue all their people, so na fit apply for there. Me na go apply for there. But me na no talk say na me teach you now because I no get the job. Hey. Okay, so any other question? Yes, so power tap and share. Any other question? Oh, we never reach 10k likes an hour for now. Me na power tap, me na reach 10k likes now. Yeah, me na the power tap. Me na the power tap. Make una the power tap. Me na get us to this thing, oh. Sandra Friday, welcome. $10.2 like me na the carry and they go now. Me na the carry and they go. Each class suppose they reach like that kind 15 or 20k. Osato, I don't see your message, oh. Maybe na your network. See my CSS. No, I go need to redo that last class. I go re-record by myself. Maybe tomorrow afternoon or next tomorrow. I never know. My body never still dey strong well. So I'll re-record them before I even upload this 13th class. So I'll re-record and upload them. Okay, say my go up small. You don't good like this. The last class code, all of them dey inside here. Now everything done. You know, say na the same file we just dey work on. They enlarge like that. Must still go up again. Then at the power tap, where we don't reach now. Guy, will be my gifter. Thank you very much. $12K like, I mean, I try, I reach 15. I beg, me not try. And the reason say maybe after this class, make I come live with my phone. Make we do small interaction. Might bring some people come, make they come talk for audio. More just gist small for like maybe 20 minutes. I wanna see am. Yes, if you align the logo and menu now, you want see my own for the this thing. What do they call am? See, we create ID for the logo. You see am. We no even really work on the logo as the case may be. It's like I won't just fall in place. Mo look the picture. Like I won't just fall in place. But if you want work on them, just use that same ID. Do whatever you want to do with them. Oh, you why now? Okay, now you no finish the class. Don't be say they no teach you well. Okay. I guess. Well, how many likes we don't get now? How many likes we don't get? 12.6k. Don't do. Make I go off them. Make I come live with my phone so that anybody who wants to talk, more just teach this small. Now community we don't dey create like this. So okay, let me stop it. Kata the explorer just dey come.